Hey there, in this video I want to show you how to add a title to your movie. So the first thing we're going to do is add an image at the beginning to create a nice animated title using the Ken Burns effect. So on the toolbar on the right side, I'm going to click on the photo browser. I'm going to open up the photo browser by clicking on the icon that has the camera on it. And then I have a nice image here. I can click on it. So here I've selected iPhoto and then Photos. And then what I can do is just drag the photo I want to use, and I'll add it right in front of the first clip. I can go in and change the length of the photo by double clicking on it and then changing the duration. So let's go ahead and make this 5 seconds. I'll just type in 5, press return. That will change the length. Then while I have the image clip selected, I can go ahead and click on the crop tool. And here I can adjust the Ken Burns effect. So I can move the start point, so I'm going to have it come in from the top, and then I can adjust the end point. There's also a number of different ways you can fit the image. You can crop it if you want, or you can have it fit. So if you do fit, you may get black bars on each side. I'm going to actually just use the Ken Burns effect for this one. And then I'll click on done. So now if I preview that, I'm going to place my playhead right before the image. I'll press the space bar, and then you'll see a preview of the Ken Burns effect. So as you can see, it's sliding up from the top. It's a nice animation. It makes that image a little bit more interesting. Alright, now that I have an image at the beginning, I'll go ahead and add a transition in between the image and my first clip. So we'll do a cross dissolve again. And then I want to add a title. So I'll go back to the toolbar, and on the right side I'll bring up the title browser. And here we're just going to use the basic centered title. So what I need to do is just to select that title and drag it on top of the clip. I can see the length of the title. And it appears right above the video clip, or in this case an image clip. And just like any other clip, I can adjust the length of that title. But right now we're just going to leave it set to the default there. I'm going to adjust the text. So right now I have some placeholder text, and I can make that whatever text I want. I can also click on show fonts, and then I can adjust different font characteristics. But right now I'm just going to leave it set to the defaults here. Go ahead and click on done, and now as I start the movie, I will see not only the animation, but also I have a title on it. And you can use the title to provide a descriptive label for your movie and describe what the movie is going to be about. Another title that's used a lot is the lower third, and we use this when we want to identify somebody in the video. So I can go ahead and just add the lower third. Now when I drag it over the clip, there's different ways I can add it to the clip. If I drag it over the middle of the clip, it will add it to the entire clip. If I drag it over to the left side, it would only add it to that part, so the first third or so of the clip. And the same thing if I just drag it over on the right side. So we're going to put this at the beginning of the clip. I'll let go there, and I can see the title is only going to play at the beginning of this clip. And that's when we want to know who this person is. So I will go ahead and actually I'm going to slide this over, put it on the third clip, because this is actually when we first see the person. And we're going to type the name of the person in the video. Then I'll click on done. So now we have a title at the beginning of the movie that identifies what the movie is about. We have a few clips, and then the first time we see the person, we have a lower third to let us know who that person is. So that's how you add titles and how you add a still image in iMovie.